haven't come to Kingsman, but they did put up this fence blocking this plaza area, so we can only get up so close. Right over here by Hurler's main turn into the drop, right there. All new wood. Behind the main lift hill, you can see we have ledgers completely in place for the big airtime hill that's going to be after that first main turn. In other news, a lot of this work has been focusing on reinforcing the structure, so we have these new braces right up here. 4 new braces going on here, just make sure everything's completely sturdy. Here's another look at those new pieces of wood that have been installed to brace the structure. Everything's been completely topped off. It's something a little weird. There's not a ledger there, and there's not a ledger there. So, kind of weird that they just like skipped to. Over here on the brake run, you can see they have added new railings. Track has already been in place, so now we just have railings next to it.